Day 8, woohoo! Sammy's got her snoot on. It's like 32 degrees out there again. And like I said in my video yesterday, I get to ride in with Frugal the last 3 days of the show, and I'm so grateful for that. Thank you, Rob. And where's he? He is sitting on, he's like, oh, I got a good pillow. And my pillow has a snoot. I'm styling. Here we go.
Today is a good day to live.
And I just want to say that it's not just the ease of getting to ride in together. I get, we get to ride together and visit. We don't see each other during the show. I know that sounds crazy because we're both there in my booth, but we're busy. And then we get back to camp at night and it's like, see ya, because we are peopled out and talked out. And then we have been driving in separately. So this is our first time to really see each other and spend some time together this week.
Yeah, how's it been going?
How you doing? And is Mama Jana cooking something really tasty smelling? He says, well, I'm just kind of hanging out hoping. He said, I'm a hoping. What are we having this morning, Jenna?
Sausage, egg, and cheese burrito.
Nom 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 nom.
And you can put how much cheese you want on it.
All right, gonna add the cheese and some verde sauce. It's a great day in the neighborhood.
What we got, John?
You got a delivery! We did. We got a partial shipment in, and it'll be enough, I think, to get us through the show.
Oh, that's wonderful. I'm so happy for you. Enough to do the 5-book bundle?
Yes.
Oh,
We only have 4 of those, but
that's wonderful.
cool.
It's a good problem to have to put stickers on, isn't it?
That's right.
Woohoo!
Have more books to sell.
Day 8, we're ready, right, Frugal?
We're ready.
Woo! Been sitting here visiting with our friend Lisa, who came by, and thank you, Lisa, because she was here, and we had a friend, Grace, that'll be here tomorrow, that was going to relieve Jenna for lunch. Y'all see if y'all can follow this, if I can say it right. Y'all straighten me out if I get it wrong. So Grace was going to come visit us, but Lisa was here, but Lisa couldn't stay long enough for lunch. But Lucy came to pick up what was left of the macrame, which wasn't much because most all of it got given away. And again, thank you, Lucy. And what did Lucy do? What else did Lucy do?
She spoiled us. She went and got corn dogs for us, and we didn't know it. And did we get that on film?
Yeah,
No.
yeah. She got all 3 of us corn dogs, and she got her and Brian corn dogs, and it brought it over, and it looked like it was being served on a platter.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
It was
because
awesome.
she had it on top of the bin that her macrame was in.
Yep, it was delicious.
It was delicious, and we scarfed it all down, and then we're like, we didn't tape that at all.
So I have no lunch video.
No lunch video today because there ain't no more lunch.
It's gone.
It's gone. Comes just a walking down the street. It's Travels with
Dottie.
Dottie.
Dottie-less.
I do not have footage of Eileen, Bev, Wade, or Patty getting books yesterday, but they did, and I truly appreciate it. What a treat it is to be able to sign books and know that people are going to read the stories I write. Thank you all. Also, Loretta stopped by, the Dan Van stopped by, we had other people stop by. Do I have footage of any of that? Nope. I don't know what to tell you. I just dropped the ball yesterday. At the end of the day, while Rob Travels with Dottie was visiting, Kristen and Jamie came by, and he gave them one of my books, and I am just thrilled to meet them. We enjoyed the visit. As we left, it appears there was a paraglider Those things are also known as hang gliders or fixed-wing ultralights, had crashed, and our prayers and well wishes are with the pilot, who I understand has been care flighted out to Phoenix. When we got home, I am proud to say that my batteries held all day and were at 13.3, and I am so blessed and so relieved. We hope you all are having a great weekend. Saturday and Sunday are our last days at Tyson Wells Cellarama, and it has been a great show, and I hope to see you if you're in the area.